haven't heard the last of King Koopa!
Thanks, lady. We couldn't have done it without you.
You saved my little cheapie. Would you like to come to dinner?
Dinner? That's the best news I've heard in days!
I cooked this just for you, Mario. My favorite recipe.
My favorite dish, spaghetti!
Spaghetti? We're not spaghetti. We're worms.
Worms?
I've never been so insulted in my whole life.
Oh, Nicole, I'm so sorry this never, ever happened before.
Oh, yeah? What about the time when we drenched the mailman?
No, sit. So why don't you come up here and stay by the furnace? It's nice and warm. It'll dry you off. I'll move the cake. Oh.
I'm sorry. It does that once in a while.
Oh, Nicole, this is terrible. Come over here. Ha ha! Oh. What's having your birthday? I'm only kidding. This is terrible. Come over here. Oh, gosh, this is terrible. Oh, have a seat. No. Oh, Nicole, come over here. I'll get this hair clean. Over there.
This is terrible.
Yeah, but somehow on her it looks good. What are you looking for?
Something to clean the coal up with. Here you go.
Lint brush? Got any other good ideas?
Yeah, how about showing us some scenes from the next Legend of Zelda?
Good idea.
This is the Triforce of Wisdom, Link. The evil wizard Ganon has the Triforce of Power. Whoever gets both Triforces will rule this land forever. You must help me, Link.
Hey, for you, Zelda, anything.
Move it, you boneheads! Get us out of here!
Whoa! Toasty! Eat dirt, Ganon!
Get them now!
Nice job, hero.
Hey! Excuse me, princess.
We'll pay for everything.
No, don't worry about it.
Please, Nicole, we'll do all your plumbing for free.
No, really, it's okay.
We'll make you free pizza.
Yeah, we'll wash your clothes.
We'll make your bed. We'll brush your teeth.
Boys, I told you not to worry about it. See, actually, this is perfect.
It is?
Yeah, remember I was telling you I was going to a party?
Yeah.
Well, it's a sloppy party. See, the person who dresses the sloppiest wins. You saved me a trip of picking up a costume. The sloppier, the better.
Really?
Really?
Well, in that case...
Stay tuned. The Sloppy Mario Brothers will return.
Till next time, everybody, do the Mario!
Do the Mario! Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. You got it. It's the Mario. Do the Mario. Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. Come on now, just like that.
Deep.